Korea marks deadliest day of pandemic as hospitals buckle. South Korea on Tuesday marked its deadliest day of the pandemic as an unrelenting, Delta-driven spread stretched thin hospitals and left people dying while waiting for beds. Health experts warn that the country's medical system is quickly approaching its limits and that fatalities could worsen if the government continues to be slow and hesitant in tightening social distancing. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said 94 virus patients died in the past 24 hours while a record 906 were in serious or critical condition. The 567 new infections were the highest yet for a Tuesday. Daily tallies are usually smaller at the start of the week because of fewer tests on weekends, indicating the virus has continued to gain speed after the government moderately tightened social distancing last week. Park Hyang, a senior health ministry official, said medical resources are quickly running out in densely populated capital Seoul and nearby metropolitan areas, where around 86% of intensive care units designated for COVID-19 treatment were already occupied. More than 1,480 patients were still waiting to be admitted to hospitals or treatment shelters.